Good morning and welcome to the Pharma Pro&Pack Hall. We are in Hall 6 and I'm with Mr. Satish Agarwal, who is the President Technical and Operations for Ajanta Pharma. Mr. Agarwal,
Yes.
pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Did you have a good trip to Hyderabad? Or
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit
absolutely.
about Ajanta Pharma. Where are you based? Tell me a little bit about the company.
Yeah, Ajanta Pharma is a company which was founded in 1973. We are 50 years old company. Basically, we started our journey from Aurangabad. We have total 7 manufacturing units and 3 is in Aurangabad, 4 is spread over across India. And our headquarter is in Mumbai. And
Yes.
Andheri, we are the place where Ajanta's corporate office
Mumbai,
is.
Mumbai, a city that I grew up
Yes.
and love, so I'm familiar with the city. But 50 years, congratulations on
Yes,
that.
thank you very much.
Pretty much a big landmark
Yes.
for any company.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
and what are the business sectors that you're involved in terms of pharma?
Basically, we are in cardiology, ophthalmology, dermatology, skincare segment, then gynec, and pain management sectors. These are our 5 more core sectors.
Right.
We are in domestic market as well as export. Our facilities, 2 facilities are USFDA approved, and yes, rest of this ROW approved. Many approvals are there.
And
Yeah.
on approximately what percentage of your business is local versus global?
40. 60% is export and 40% is local, domestic.
So you're one of the great
Yes.
pioneers in terms of getting into the global made in
Absolutely.
India, make in India, and
Yes,
all of that.
absolutely, absolutely.
So obviously, there's been this new big push for value-added products and services out of India for the global market.
Yes.
What's your role in all of that? What's Ajanta doing to propagate that?
Ajanta, anyway, as I already said, we are majorly focusing on exports, developing new territories, new market, and expand our horizon to promote India at a global level through our differentiated medical medicines. So we are pioneers among developing first time medicines in the world in terms of the formulations.
Right.
So that is what is our approach and motto.
So moving from generic drugs to more value-added drugs
Yes.
will present obviously huge challenges,
Yes.
especially technological challenges.
Yes. Yes.
So what have Ajanta done to try and bridge that gap?
Actually, we believe more on the technology. So we have upgraded our manufacturing plants to cope up with the newer technology. Now we are going a fully digitalized. Our 2 plants which are FDA approved are fully digitalized, paperless manufacturing. So that is how we are working on, and we are very flexible to adopt new technologies, whatever is available.
Right.
In India or globally, we bring it. Most of the time, we are the first to go ahead with the technology and adopt it.
Right.
And yeah, that is how it is.
So a lot of these machinery you require,
Yeah.
is that locally sourced and manufactured, or do you have to import a lot of the equipment?
Most of them are locally sourced, because now the international maybe manufacturers are coming to India, make in India, and that is making it more affordable to go and go for it.
Right.
And but whatever suppose new technology is not there, then probably we are going global.
Okay.
To take
So as part of this, do you actually work with manufacturers to specifically design machinery that you require, or do you really can rely on machinery which is already available?
No, absolutely. That is what we tie up with the manufacturer. We give us our URS.
Yes.
What exactly is our requirement? If
Right.
that machine is not there, then they develop for us. We collaborate. Our engineering collaborate with them.
Right.
And then we get that may be a first time which has been manufactured. We don't shy away to take that risk.
Right.
To get that machine, and make it success. There is n number of machines there in India which have been developed for Ajanta first time in the world and successfully been thereafter stabilized.
So I guess all of this then presents huge opportunities for you. There are, of
Yes.
course, challenges always exist.
Challenges.
But with that also come opportunities.
Yes.
Right? So how have you been able to overcome some of those or meet some of those opportunities?
Yeah, absolutely. Because then once we have got that opportunity, Ajanta is the first to market the product, to maybe increase their efficiency, increase the productivity, and tap the market.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is how it is. Always work like that.
Yes. Yeah. So exhibitions like what we have here at Pharma Pro&Pack, how important is that in terms of your own outreach strategy, in terms of meeting people, etc.? What do you hope to get out of an exhibition like this?
There are two things. One is that you have a networking. So you meet the people, your friends, colleagues, your buyers, vendors. And the second one is so that you can have proper networking with them. The another big opportunity is that you can have new technology which has been available under one roof.
Right.
So you can go and look for that. What is the advanced technology is available? Whether the how you can be suitable for your need.
Yes.
You can discuss with them, and so definitely the exhibitions like this should be there more often, and maybe people should take the advantage. The advantage of it.
And Hyderabad is a center for a lot of the
innovation center of innovation, and this is the city for maybe you can have API manufacturer. So it is the hub for active pharmaceutical ingredients.
So have you had a chance to go around the exhibition as yet?
Yeah, yes, I had. So a lot of stalls, lot of colleagues. So it's a good to spend a time here in Hyderabad in this exhibition.
Well, Mr. Agarwal, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
I wish you all the best, and
thank you.
All the best to Ajanta Pharma as well going forward.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So we were talking to Mr. Satish Agarwal of Ajanta Pharma, and we shall now continue on our journey and meet a few more of the exhibitors and guests who come to Analytica in Anacon, India Lab Expo, and Pharma Pro&Pack Expo.